Hello and welcome back to my course Trading News using binary options. And today I'm going to tell you how to trade after a release of ADP non-farm employment change. This data provides an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of the government-released employment data. As the usual non-farm payrolls, this news is released monthly, about 2 days after the month ends. Job creation is an important leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of the overall economic activity. When the actual number is higher than the forecast, it's a positive for the economy and positive for dollar against Japanese yen. How to trade it? Once again, I filled the table and now it's time to recognize the pattern. This pattern is similar to what we have learned about standard non-farm payrolls, but there are some details. What I want you to figure out dates when the difference between forecast and actual number was below 15,000. These dates were March 30th, February the 3rd, November the 4th, September 30th, and September the 2nd. Let's first analyze the cases when it had a positive effect on the market. Every time it happened, the closing price after 5 minutes was higher than after 15 minutes. It means that if the difference is not as high as 15,000, the market reaction in 15 minutes is opposite to what we saw during the first minute. Thus, every time when this indicator is positive and the difference is below 15,000, after just 5 minutes after the release you may open a put which expires in 15 minutes after the release, and there will be a high probability for this trade to be successful. And now let's have a look to negative releases, where the difference is also below 15,000. It happened on March 30th, November the 4th, and September the 2nd. And every time it was, the market reaction changed in 15 minutes. The only exclusion was on September the 2nd. But you see that the price difference is near zero. To use this pattern, you should open a call when you see that ADP non-farm employment indicator is negative, but the difference is below 15,000. I hope everything about this particular news is clear for you, and of course all statistics you may download within this lecture. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you successful trading.